Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Tara. Today's topic is about the mortgage racket. All right. Now, for some people, it is better for them to rent, and I know that some people say that it's their dream to get a loan and buy a house. All right, because they think that that's something that they should do, when maybe for some it's not what they should do. All right, and there's a very valuable lesson to be learned if someone gets a mortgage and they really can't afford it, if something with their career change, their occupation, income changes, and it doesn't pay the mortgage and utilities and stuff like that. It's just enough for them to eat or something, and transportation. Okay? So, the thing about renting and mortgage, the difference is if a person gets a mortgage, they're applying for a loan. All right? For example, if the mortgage is $300,000, all right, and the person, they've been paying their mortgage for 10 years, and then all of a sudden they can't afford to pay their mortgage and other bills, all right, and the bank is ready to foreclose, all right, and the bank is asking, demanding a certain amount of money. So now the bank is saying, okay, well, after 10 years, your balance is $250,000. $250,000 that they're going to say that they owe for the house, that they're going to kick them out of. So the person doesn't come up with the $250,000. But the bank is going to put $250,000 balance on that person's credit report. But the bank is going to sell that house on the courthouse steps, or they're going to sell it, for sale by a bank or a real estate company. Now, the real estate agent, the closing attorney, and the mortgage lender, all of these people have gotten paid, but they don't owe if the person has a foreclosure. But now this person owed $250,000, and somebody else can come along and buy the same house and get a mortgage, and then they owe for a house. They might even default on the mortgage. Now, a renter is different. So say, for example, the house, that same kind of house in the neighborhood is for rent. And that person, they have a lease for a couple of years or a year or whatever, all right? And they could walk away and they don't owe anything. And that's the thing. The mortgage is a racket. It is something designed to make a person owe for something that they don't even have. They don't have the deed to it if they can't pay for it. So it's like owing money for something that somebody else staying in. Because after they move out, somebody else is going to have it. Thank you all for listening, and namaste.